In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple rows in Google Sheets efficiently. If you've ever stared at a spreadsheet, pondering which rows to erase without wasting time, this is the guide for you. We're about to make managing your data a whole lot simpler. Let's begin by opening up your Google Sheet. Find the first row you want to delete. The row number is conveniently located on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on the number of the row you want to start with. This action highlights the entire row with a consistent light blue color, ensuring you can clearly identify your selection. It's important to do this step carefully, especially if you are managing a large dataset, as selecting the wrong row could lead to unwanted deletions. Now hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. This is a crucial step, as the Shift key allows us to select a continuous range of rows. Keeping your finger pressed on Shift, navigate to the row number of the last row you intend to delete. Click on this number just the same way you did with the first one. You'll notice that all the rows in between your first click and your current click are now highlighted as well. This visual confirmation lets you know that you have successfully selected all the rows you intend to delete. It's worth noting that if you have mistakenly selected additional rows, you can always start this process again. With those rows selected, it's time to get rid of them. Right-click on any of the highlighted rows. A context menu will appear next to your cursor. In this menu, look for the option that says Delete Rows XY, where X and Y correspond to the first and last rows of your selection, respectively. Click on this option. Instantly, Google Sheets will remove those rows and shift any remaining rows up, preserving the order of your data seamlessly. This simple yet effective method ensures that you can manage your spreadsheet with precision and speed. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so it's always wise to double-check your data and make sure the correct rows are selected before you click delete. If you do make a mistake, remember that Google Sheets has an undo option, which can be a lifesaver, but getting it right the first time is always best. And there you have it. Deleting multiple rows in Google Sheets doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these straightforward steps, you can maintain control over your data organization like a pro. Make sure to practice this technique a few times to get comfortable, and soon enough you'll be managing your spreadsheets with unparalleled ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheet managing.